Hello, this is Ari with Modern Telecom, here to talk to you about the hot desking feature. Hot desking allows you to make any phone your own by logging in as your own extension. This will allow you to make and receive calls with your extension caller ID, and of course the voicemail button will then follow your voicemail box. To activate hot desking, you would sit down at any phone in your organization and press the hot desking button on the phone.
Please enter your extension number.
You'll be prompted for your extension number. This is your personal extension number,
Please enter your access code.
followed by your password. If you haven't changed this, then our default password is.
Service is now active.
Wait a moment and watch the screen as the phone renames itself to be your extension. There we go. If there's some graphics abnormalities, just push anything to refresh the screen. But now, your name is on the phone and this is now your extension to use. When you place an outbound call, it will originate from your extension. If somebody calls your extension, it will ring on now this phone. At the end of your shift or when you're leaving or if somebody else wants to log in, you should log out of your extension, which returns the phone to its default extension. Simply do the exact same steps again.
Please enter your extension number. Please enter your access code. Service is now inactive.
And now the phone will return back to its original extension. Just watch at the top and you'll see your name will disappear. And the original name of the phone will pop up in its place. If you forget to do this procedure, it will automatically do this at midnight, as we default to logging everybody out at midnight and returning the phones to their original extensions. Thanks for watching.